Hello Year 9. Your first task is to write the date and the title retrieval practice in your books. Then answer the retrieval questions. Number 1. What was the theatre style we explored last week? Number 2. What was the group we looked at last week? Number 3. Can you name 3 examples of dynamics? Pause the video here to answer these questions. And here are the answers. We looked at physical theatre style last week. Frantic Assembly was the name of the group, and 3 examples of dynamics are slowly, quickly and flowing. Today's learning outcomes are what? To explore the practitioner Augusto Boal and forum theatre, and why? To continue expanding your knowledge of different practitioners. Task. Copy the image displayed on screen. Connect all the dots using only 4 straight lines. You are not allowed to take the pen off the paper once you begin. Top tip, think outside the box. Pause the video here to allow students to complete this task. And here are the answers. So diagonal line going down, then the top line going across, and then the third line going outside the box and down diagonally, and then the 4th line going back up. Today you will need to think outside the box. Listen to this poem. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Up Jack got and home did trot as fast as he could caper, went to bed to mend his head with vinegar and brown paper. Jill came in and she did grin to see his paper plaster. Mother vexed did whip her next for causing Jack's disaster. Here are some questions for you to think about. Why did Jack and Jill have to fetch the water? What was at the top of the hill? Why did Jack fall down the hill? Why did Jill smile when seeing Jack? Why did their mother punish Jill? Are there any gender issues? Pause the video here to discuss these questions. Remember to think outside the box. We know the story, but thinking outside the box may lead to different situations and scenarios. Augusto Boal. What is forum theatre? Forum theatre teaches the audience about the issues and allows them to debate and explore possible solutions. Audiences become the spectators or the spect-actors and can either swap with the actors and change the situation or ask the actors to behave differently. Task. Using forum theatre, explore the issues in the story. Why did Jack and Jill have to fetch the water? What was at the top of the hill? Why did Jack fall down the hill? Why did Jill smile when seeing Jack? Why did their mother punish Jill? And are there any gender issues? As a class, act out each scenario trying to find the solutions. So you will need 3 actors at most at any one time. The audience freeze the action by shouting freeze and offer suggestions, or they then take on the role of the performer and demonstrate how they think the actors should perform. Pause the video here to begin working on the solutions to the issues raised.